You've probably been told your whole life you can't time the market. Just buy and hold, trust the process, ride it out. Let me tell you something as someone who's worked on both sides of the table, Wall Street and Main Street. That's one of the most damaging half-truths in investing. It's not that timing the market is impossible, it's that the way most people try to do it is completely broken. They try to predict the future, guess when tops and bottoms are forming, based on how they feel. They react emotionally to headlines, they follow the herd, and they follow people's opinions. None of this is timing, it's gambling. But what if there was another way? What if timing the market didn't require a crystal ball, but a repeatable process? Wall Street loves to tell you not to time the market, that market timing is impossible. Have you ever wondered why? It's because they want your money in the market all of the time. Fees, flows, assets under management. It works for them, not necessarily for you. But let me ask you, if you can't time the market, how do hedge funds reduce exposure before crashes? How do proprietary trading firms and pod shops hit quarterly performance targets in any market? How did I make 24% in February 2020 and 36% in March 2020, right as the world was going into meltdown? It's not luck, it's not clairvoyance, and it's not predicting the future. It's edge, it's probabilities, it's structure, it's timing done right. Now, I used to believe the myth. In 2008, I was running the markets desk for Goldman Sachs in Australia. Smartest people in the room, best research, deep pockets. And yet, that year, I lost over half of my net worth. Why? Because I had bought into the idea that markets are always a buy, that you can't time it, so you just keep buying, averaging down. Then, in 2009, I sat down for a beer with a colleague who was a prop trader at Goldman, and I shared how wrecked I was from the global financial crisis. And you know what he said to me? He said, "Simon, 2008 was my most profitable year in the markets ever." That was my light bulb moment. Same market, different approach, very different outcome. I had an opinion, he had a process. And that was the last time I ever confused the two. So let's talk about what market timing actually means. It's not predicting tops or bottoms. It's not reacting emotionally. It's definitely not watching CNBC or guessing what Powell might do next week. It's not about being right all of the time. It's not always knowing what every stock is about to do. Real timing is this: recognizing high probability setups, having predefined rules of engagement, understanding momentum and structure across timeframes, and knowing when not to trade. I call it the Tao of trading: calm, disciplined, non-reactive, precise. Here's something that will shift your entire mindset. Timing the market is not about predicting what will happen next. It's about identifying when the probabilities are temporarily in your favor. Think about it. This is the fundamental principle behind every casino in the world. The house doesn't win every hand, but they play with the probabilities in their favor, and they play consistently. And casinos are fantastically profitable businesses. You can do the same with your trading. One of the most powerful ways to do this is by stacking multiple forms of confirmation: trend structure, price action, momentum, volatility expansion or compression, key levels from higher time frames, support and resistance. These are not opinions. These are objective clues that, when aligned, give you the green light to strike. I built my entire system around this idea. In my trading, I only act when I see what is called a clean setup. Clear structure on the daily chart. Alignment on multiple time frames. Momentum confirmation from my custom indicators. A valid entry trigger. And I always know exactly where my stop is. If that sounds simple, good, because really it is. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication in trading. Now, imagine waking up in the morning. You run a scan that takes about 2 seconds, 2 or 3 setups appear. You instantly recognize the pattern. You set your entry, define your risk, and you walk away. No stress, no screen addiction, no second guessing. This is trading as it should be. This is timing the market without trying to predict the market. Let me give you one more example. In 2023, a member of mine named Michael had just joined Options Academy Elevate. He was frustrated, burned by too many gurus, too many conflicting strategies. Within a month of following our process, he messaged me, plus 49% in my first month of live trading. I never thought I'd feel confident so quickly. Another student, Anne, came in as a retiree. She didn't want thrills. She wanted income for her retirement. Within weeks, she was executing trades with structure, confidence, and peace of mind. Again, this isn't magic. It's not about being right all the time. It's about putting the odds in your favor and staying consistent. So, the next time you hear someone say, "You can't time the market," just smile. Because you know now the truth. You can when you stop predicting and start preparing.